Last week, a small group of House Republicans broke with their party and voted to extend the ACA tax credits that millions of Americans rely on to afford health care. In a functioning democracy, that wouldn't be remarkable. But under the Trump regime, where cutting programs that feed the starving is treated as resolve and concern for the vulnerable is treated as weakness, this vote matters. It signals that public resistance to these policies is working, and that even fear of presidential retribution can be outweighed by the collective power of engaged citizens. My own representative was one of the Republicans who broke ranks, so I wrote him the following letter. Dear Representative Joyce, I'm writing to thank you for your vote to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits for 3 years. In Ohio, around 500,000 residents rely on these credits to afford health insurance, including working families, older adults not yet eligible for Medicare, and people in rural areas where options are limited and costs are higher. For many of them, the expiration of these credits would have meant immediate premium spikes or the loss of coverage altogether. Your vote prevented that harm. In your statement, you expressed ongoing concerns about the structure and long-term affordability of the ACA. Reasonable people can and do disagree on those questions. What matters here is that despite those concerns, you voted to ensure that Ohioans are not put at risk while broader policy debates continue. That is exactly how responsible government should look. Protect the vulnerable first, then work to improve an imperfect system. At a time when party pressure too often outweighs constituent impact, your vote stood out. I hope it serves as an example to others in Congress of placing people over party. To raise awareness, I'm sharing this letter in a public video presentation. Thank you for your time and for your service to the people of Ohio. Sincerely, Wes Bushman. These are the Republican members of Congress who voted to protect Americans' access to affordable health care. If your representative is on this list, consider reaching out and letting them know you noticed. A template letter and contact links are in this video's description. For weekly letters like this one, I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks for watching and for defending our democracy.